Hey there, welcome back to Say It Right. Today's word is one that describes a certain type of person, narcissistic. It's long, tricky, and often mispronounced. So let's break it down. So, how do you say it? The correct pronunciation is Nar-suh-SIS-tik. Let's break it down step by step. The first part is nar, like in narrate. The second part is suh, a soft, quick sound. Then comes sis, with a strong emphasis, like the word sister. And finally, tick, which rhymes with pick. Now, say it with me, Nar-suh-SIS-tik. One more time, Nar-suh-SIS-tik. Great job. So, what does narcissistic mean? It describes someone who is self-obsessed, vain, and overly focused on themselves. For example, someone who constantly talks about their achievements and ignores others' feelings might be called narcissistic. Did you know? The word narcissistic comes from the Greek myth of Narcissus, a man who fell in love with his own reflection. That's why we use the word for people who are overly self-centered. Now, let's talk about spelling. It's spelled Narcissis-tic. It's a long one, but now you've got it. Let's say it one last time together. Nar-suh-SIS-tik. You got it. Thanks for watching Say It Right. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need it. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.